Hello and happy new month. It's a new day, it's a new month. Get excited. Great things are coming your way. Forget about yesterday. We have an opportunity to reset the clock, to right the wrongs of yesterday and move forward in the right direction. So are you ready to dream again? Are you ready to grow again, to set new goals and to push your life forward for the best? Because it's possible. There is a miracle waiting for you this month, and it is going to manifest. Yes, quite all right, it will. I just want to share with you 4 tips how to make things happen for you this month. Are you ready? All right. Number 1, very clear. Be intentional. Be intentional about your life. Be intentional about the things you want. What do you want? Live your life intentionally. Don't just wait for things to happen for you or to you. Make things happen. You are the CEO of your own life. You are the CEO of your family. So make things happen for you. Be intentional. Live your life intentionally. Number 2, you have to have clear, defined goal. Are your goals clear enough? Because when the vision is clear, the results will appear. The vision has to be clear. And if your goals are clear, are they written down? Write them down. Have goals and write them down. If it's not written down, it does not exist. Pen them down, write them down, and see them manifest daily. Okay, number 3, you have to be ready and willing to take daily actions. Your daily action, and the key word here is daily, is the action you take every day. It's not the big things you do once in a while that will give you the greatest results, but they are the things that you do every day, the small things that you do every day that will actually give you your greatest and your biggest result. So take daily actions. And number 4, get out of your comfort zone. You have to be comfortable getting uncomfortable. My friend, your success, your greatness is on the other side of that fear. Step out of your comfort zone. Go out there and make them happen. Break your comfort zone and push forward and do it. Every day, do something. Write the goals down. Be intentional about it. Do it, do it, do it again. You will see the greatest result. It's a new month. Let's go out there and crush the month and make things happen so we can live the life we were created to live. For we have greatness within us, and it's time to manifest that greatness. This is Centering Impact. I will see you at the top.